Article 23, a child with a disability has the right to live a full and decent life with dignity and, as far as possible, independence, and to play an active part in the community. Governments must do all they can to support children and their families.
Hi, I'm Ben Southall. A few years ago, I won the best job in the world, being an island caretaker on the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Well, unfortunately for me, my time is up. But luckily for you, the best job in the world is back. Yet this time there's not one, but 6 amazing jobs in Australia, all up for grabs. How about working here as the new Chief Funster? Crash festivals and events, write reviews, and live the life of a Sydney VIP. Have you considered working as a tastemaster? Eat your way around the state, forage out the finest produce, and uncover the best bars and restaurants. Have you considered working as a wildlife caretaker?
It's a very relaxed working environment.
Wake up the kangaroos, swim with dolphins and sea lions, and explore Kangaroo Island. Or you could be an outback adventurer. Travel the outback, meet the locals, and have a new adventure every day. How about working as a lifestyle photographer with Time Out magazine? Discover hidden laneways, create photo shoots, and work with high-profile designers and artists. And finally, you could be a full-time park ranger. Check the water temperature, patrol the beaches, and leave only footprints. The pay's not bad either. Each job comes with a free jar of Vegemite. Oh, and a 6-month contract worth $100,000. And while you're here, you'll be able to travel around in style with Virgin Australia. So click through to apply now. Good luck. And take it from me, there's nothing like Australia. Now, I wonder if they'll let me apply again. Probably not. Find exclusive flight deals, tours and work abroad programs with STA Travel and Virgin Australia, the experts in Australian youth travel.